Hey there, this is Matt Futch, criminal defense attorney and managing partner at Smith & Eulo, or at least the AI version of me. Today we're tackling a question that comes up way more than you'd think, especially in states like Florida. How much weed is too much weed? Now, first off, we're not talking about personal preference here. We're not here to judge your tolerance or your late night snack habits. We're talking about how much marijuana can get you in trouble with the law, and spoiler alert, it doesn't take much. In Florida, recreational marijuana is still illegal. Medical marijuana is legal, sure, but only if you've got the proper ID card and you're getting it through a licensed dispensary. So what happens if you're caught with marijuana and you're not a registered medical patient? If it's 20 grams or less, you're looking at a misdemeanor. That's up to a year in jail and a $1,000 0 cents fine. And just to put that in perspective, 20 grams is less than an ounce. We're not talking about pounds here. That's maybe enough to roll a couple dozen joints, but once you go over 20 grams, things change quickly. Now you're in felony territory. Possession of more than 20 grams without a medical exemption can carry up to 5 years in prison and a $5,000 fine. That's the line right there. Cross it, and you've gone from a ticket and court date to you need a lawyer yesterday. And it gets more serious the higher the weight goes. If you're holding over 25 pounds, the law assumes you're trafficking, even if you swear it was for a really chill weekend with friends. At that point, you're not facing probation, you're facing mandatory minimum prison time. Now, just because it's just weed doesn't mean it's treated casually in court. But marijuana laws in Florida haven't caught up to what you see in California or Colorado. So yeah, how much weed is too much? Legally speaking, any amount. And remember, context matters. If you're smoking in public, driving under the influence, or carrying it near a school, things get more complicated real fast. And now for the important part. This video was AI generated. I'm not the real Matt Futch, and nothing you've heard should be taken as legal advice. This content is just here to break down laws in plain English and maybe get you thinking. If you're facing marijuana charges, don't guess. Talk to a real licensed attorney. Thanks for listening. Be smart. Stay informed, and we'll catch you next time.